Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make oven baked lemon garlic salmon. So let's start. So we need large baking dish and we are going to put foil on top of our dish. So we have little bit olive oil on top of our foil and we have little bit more than 2 pounds of salmon. So we need 1.5 teaspoon of salt. We will sprinkle about half teaspoon on both sides of the fish, and the rest we will add into our dressing later on. And we are going to sprinkle half teaspoon of black pepper as well. And now we need 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I'm going to brush this on top of our fish. Now I'm going to flip and sprinkle some salt and pepper again. And more Dijon mustard. Set aside. Now we are going to make our garlic lemon marination, and we will need measuring cup, juice of 1 lemon, zest of 1 lemon. We are going to keep just a little bit aside. Salt, just 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon chili flakes. 6 cloves, it's about 1 teaspoon. Paprika 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 3 tablespoon of melted butter, little bit of fresh chopped parsley, and remaining we will use for garnishing. And we are going to mix everything. Now we will pour our marination on top of our fish. Now I am going to put lemon slices on top of our fish, and I am just going to fold all the sides of the foil. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. So it's been 30 to 35 minutes. I am just opening the foil and I turn on the broiler. We will let it bake for a few minutes just to give the salmon a golden color. I want to give the salmon an extra buttery and garlicky flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 to 2 cloves of crushed garlic, little bit of lemon zest. Fry for a few minutes. Add pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, and a lemon slice. And continue to saute. After taking the salmon out of the oven, pour the garlic butter mixture onto the salmon. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe. And enjoy!